Hello, class. It is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. I hope you and your family are having a blessed day. I'm going to show you the lesson for practice work and review work 112 and page 113. If you do not have these pages, it is okay. You can follow along with this lesson if you have dimes, nickels, and pennies. We are going to make 25 cents using as many different coin combinations as possible. So again, even without the paper, you can still do this. When I have a zero down, it means you will not be using those coins. So for instance, on number 1, you can make 25 cents using 2 dimes and 1 nickel. And you would count that up going 10, 20, 5. So 2 dimes and 1 nickel equals 25 cents. On number 2, you see I put a dime down. The question mark means how many nickels do I need to add? And I also gave you a hint. I covered up the other question mark with 5 pennies. So on number 2, to solve this one, you will tell me how many more nickels you need to make 25 cents. On number 3, we're not going to be using nickels. I want you to tell me how many dimes and how many pennies make 25 cents. On number 4, I put down 1 nickel. You're going to tell me how many dimes and how many pennies will make 25 cents. And on number 5, you're going to tell me how many nickels and how many pennies. You're going to need a lot of pennies on number 5. So you don't need any dimes on number 5. And on practice page, practice work 113, I'm going to show you how to trade coin combinations. You don't want to have 35 pennies. Counting by ones takes too long. The key to number 1 on PW 113 is to trade 35 pennies for a number of coins that is a lot less. So you could change 35 pennies into 3 dimes and 1 nickel. Instead of 35 pennies, this is a better way to make 35 cents. And then you would tally them up: 10, 20, 30, 5. Using your hundreds chart is a great way to add these numbers up. On number 2, we want to trade 15 pennies for how many nickels? Counting by 5s will help you solve this. And then number 3, if you have 25 pennies, how many dimes and nickels will you need? I put skip counting at the bottom. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you're not sure how to skip count, you can whisper count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 until you're used to it. So you can see in the 20s, your answer should be 22, 24, 26, 28, and then 30. What would your answer be if we started in the 50s, in the 80s, and the 90s? And watch the very last one. It's got 3 digits. God bless.